Okay, here is the review of this corn mill grinder. There is no instructions, but it's not a rocket science. You could put it together like in less than 5 minutes. For the door, it doesn't have quite sealed tight, so I've used about like a 2 mil regular wire, just put around it, and it prevents from dust coming out from the top or the sides. So 3-4 buckets, it took me like less than half an hour. Let's see it in action. Very happy with purchase. I could go even finer, but this is more than enough. I bake chickens, hens, so the whole corn or even the cracked corn, as this one, I can show you. So the quarters, it's a lot of waste. They don't eat till the end. So hopefully with this, a little bit wet mixture should do the job. Very happy, satisfied with this purchase.